Welcome, in front of me is Google Pixel 8, and in this video I will show you what to do if your fingerprint sensor doesn't want to recognize your fingerprint properly. So the solution in this case is to add a new fingerprint to your device, but this time let's make some further steps in order to make sure everything goes smoother this time. So let's go into the settings. Select Security and Privacy, then go to Device Unlock Features, select Face and Fingerprint Unlock, select Fingerprint Unlock, and let's remove the old fingerprint data from our device. And before we add a new fingerprint to our phone, let's first wipe the area at which we will be placing our fingerprint, our finger, just to make sure that it's smooth and it reads our fingerprints clearer. Okay, so click Add Fingerprint, and let's proceed by adding a new fingerprint to our device. Click Done, and before we continue, let's make sure that our device is up to date, so that all the features like fingerprint unlocking work properly. To access the update center, let's go to the system. Just let me find it. System, software updates, and if you have some updates, pending updates, then take your time and install them in order to make sure that everything works properly. I won't do it for now. I'm going to leave it for later. And before we proceed, let's also restart our phone just to make sure everything works fine. And once our phone is restarted, let's try and use the fingerprint unlock feature once again. So let's lock it, and as you can see, everything went smoothly. I hope it helped you too, and if it did, let us know in the comments, leave us a like and consider subscribing to our channel, and I'll see you in the next one.